Hello everyone, welcome back to my another videos. This is my new videos of JavaScript tutorial, and today I am going to talk about pure and impure function on JavaScript, which is chapter 13. In before videos, I already discussed about chapter 1 to chapter 12, and today I am going to talk about chapter 13 of our complete JavaScript tutorial. Without delay, let's go on direct topic. So, uh, what is pure function and impure function? Pure function means it always return the same output while we are giving the same input. It will always give us same output whenever we give same input. uh, and also it does not cause any side effect. That is called pure function. And what is impure function? Impure function means it can be give us different value while we are giving same input. It can give us different output, and it also it can affect, or it can affect side it can affect side effect, or it can modify external state. This is called impure function. uh, I think I should show show the coding example. So let's go. Here we can see the encoding. Here, here we are doing add name function, and we are passing a and b as a parameter, and we are returning a plus b. Here we are giving argument 2 comma 3 2 comma 3 2 comma 3. We are giving always same input, and it is giving us output always 5 5 5. It means giving same input uh, means we are receiving same output always. So this means the pure function. And and also we can see here another example. uh, we are doing square. Here is the one function named square, and here it is when we give the value of x, it always give the same output. Okay, when we give same input, it will always give the same output, and it cannot cause the side effect. So here is the characteristic of pure function. Let's see insert. Same input, same output. We are already seeing this characteristics. No side effect, and easier to test and debugging, because it will always can be predictable, so it can be easier to debug. And let's see what is impure function. Impure function means it can give us different output while we are giving a same input. So let's see coding example. Here it's count is equal to 0, and here increment function. Here inside increment function we are doing count is equal to count plus 1. It means count plus is equal to 1, whatever you can say. Here count is returning, so it will always give the different value in the increment order, because here we are doing increment process inside the function, so it cannot give the same value. It will always give the different value, so it is called impure function. So this is the impure function. Let's see another example. We can see this function random number return math.floor, math.random function into 10. It will always give the different value. while uh, value means output while we are giving same input. So because it will pick a random number and give us multiply by 10 output, and so that's why it is the impure function. And let's see what is the benefit of pure function. Predictable behavior means we can predict the output easily because it will always same output while we are giving the same input, so it can be predictable. So that's why that's how it can help us debugging, testing, easier to test automatically, basis of functional programming, and no side effect save for concurrent operation. So that's all about benefits of pure function. And let's see practice problems. Here, identify the pure versus impure function. Here is the square name function, and we are passing x as an parameter and returning x into x. Uh, it is the pure function because it will always give same output while giving the same input. So that's why it is the pure function. And if we do this, let y is equal to 2 function increment function and y plus plus. This definitely this can be impure function because it will always give the different output while giving the same input. So that's why it is the uh, impure function. This is the impure. This is the second one is impure and first one is pure function. So that's that's all about pure and impure function. You can practice by doing all question. And let's summary of our chapter. Pure function deterministic, no side effect, and impure function means output varies, means different can be different output, modifies external state. And benefits of pure function: easier to test, debug, predictable, because it will give us same output while giving us same inputs. And was for external variable change, random input output. And practice question is here, you can practice them. So that's all about pure and impure function. This is the very short chapter. We will discuss more about next chapter. I think we are going to next chapter on string, I think. So keep watch. Bye bye for today.